Hi Facebook family, I'm just coming to you today. This is B. Shirley with the Crafty Bee. I'm coming to you today to show you a housewarming gift I made for my son and my oldest son and his wife. It's a farmhouse picture frame that I fixed up, and I'm going to show you how I made it. Now, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you would, leave me some kind of comment to let me know what you think of my video. Okay? This is the finished project. These are actual 5x7. As you can see, it's a 5x7 picture frame. I took it and turned it sideways. My lights is kind of messing, getting in the picture. I took these large letters and glued them to the word love down to the side, and used a little jute twine to make little bows to go in between the middle to kind of hide where it's glued. And then I put the rope that I got from Dollar Tree around the edge. This has a little of a crease, so I put it in the crease of the picture frame, and then I put one on the outside of the picture frame. And then what I decided to do is put some of these little mirrors on here. These are little square mirrors. So you get the little square mirrors, and I put a little bit of those little diamond peel and stick. I don't know if you can see it good, but the little peel and stick diamond bling on them. And then I used two of the little small round ones, one on this part and one at the top. And then the large, the one in the middle is here. It was I don't know if you can see it good, but anyway, that's what I used. But anyway, that's what I made. It's just real simple. So here's all you need. You need your E6000 glue, your glue gun, you need your rope, you need your twine, you need some paint. But I used a kind of an off yellow because that's what she was wanting. It was originally a dark brown frame, but I painted it, and the letters were light brown. This is what the letters look like to start with. So I mixed up the paint. I used the acrylic yellow paint here and then the white craft paint, mixed them together, and I painted them. And for the back, I used to hang it, to be able to hang it. Let me see if I can turn it upside down, turn it up here for you. You can see where I put on both ends, and because the letters, I'm turning it, I may not be doing too good on my video. I'm sorry, y'all. The back of it, because the letters on it is making it side heavy, I put the actual little picture frame hanger thing on the actual letter and the mirror, and then I skipped a space on the side here, on this other side, to kind of balance it out. But in order for it to work right, because the nails, I could not find nails to go through this, I had to use these popsicle sticks that you get from Dollar Tree. I had to use these, and I had to measure. As you can see, I measured out the length I needed, and then I cut it, and I put two together and used, oh, I forgot the wood glue. I'd used some wood glue to glue these two together, and then I trimmed it to the size and painted it black to match the back of the frame. So that way it would, the nail, because these nails that I had just would not go, they were all going through it, and I didn't want to make a hole in the front of it. But anyway, this is what I will use: the popsicle sticks, the letters, the E6000 glue, the glue gun, your rope, the jute twine, the paint. I used a pencil to mark my spots that I needed, the scissors to cut the rope and the twine, the little hammer to be able to hammer the nails in, and then the little mirrors. And it was really that simple. I'm going to flip it over again. I flipped it over again. I'm going to stand it up to kind of give you a better picture of what it looks like standing up. Don't know if you could see it. Oh. Okay, and if you see that the letters were a little bit longer, my letters end up being a little bit longer. So what I did, and all the letters had this little extra piece in here. So for the E and for the L, I cut out the L here, and I cut off a piece of the V right here, and then I cut off the little piece on the E here. and let these two hang out to give it a distinctive look. But anyway, that's what I made, and I hope you liked my video. If you would, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me some kind of comment. Thank you. And don't forget to share. God bless.